Good morning students. This class we are going to learn about construction of the incircle of a triangle. Construction of the incircle of a triangle. Listen the definition. Incenter. The incenter is the intersection of the triangle's three angle bisectors. The incenter is the intersection of the triangle's three angle bisectors. The incenter is the center of the incircle. It is usually denoted by I. It is the one point in the triangle whose distances to the sides are equal. Again one more time I explained. Consider one triangle. The triangle la irundhu over angle ku bisectors use பண்ணனும். So இது வந்து A angle, B angle, C angle எடுத்துக்கோங்க. A angle அந்த ஒரு bisector, B angle அந்த ஒரு bisector. இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளும் இன்டர்செக்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய இந்த பைசெக்டர்ஸ் மீட் பண்ணக்கூடிய பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து மறுபடியும் ஒரு பைசெக்டர் ஏபி லைனுக்கு போடணும். ஏபி லைனுக்கு போட்டுட்டு அப்போ இந்த த்ரீ ஆங்கிள் பைசெக்டர்ஸ், திஸ் இஸ் த த்ரீ ஆங்கிள் பைசெக்டர்ஸ். இந்த பாயிண்ட்ல இருந்து இந்த ஏபி லைன் செக்மெண்ட் ஆர்பிசி ஏசி ஏதாவது ஒரு சைடுக்கு ரேடியஸ் பார்க்கணும். காம்பஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி இந்த லெங்த்தை வச்சு இந்த ட்ரையாங்கிளுக்கு ஒரு சர்க்கிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ இந்த சர்க்கிளை தான் நம்ம வந்து இன் சர்க்கிள்னு சொல்லுவோம். இந்த இன் சர்க்கிளோட உள்ளா இருக்கக்கூடிய பாயிண்ட் தான் இன் சென்டர். ஸோ இன் சென்டர் இஸ் த சென்டர் ஆஃப் த இன் சர்க்கிள். இந்த இன் சர்க்கிளோட உள்ள வரக்கூடிய பாயிண்ட் தான் இன் சென்டர் பாயிண்ட். ஓகே, listen on example problems. Example 4.15. Construct the incenter of triangle ABC with the AB 6 cm, angle B 65 degree and AC 7 cm. Also draw the incircle and measure its radius. Write the given value. Listen the construction. First step, you draw a rough diagram. Step 2, draw the triangle ABC with the AB 6 cm, angle B 65 degree and AC 7 cm. Using this three measures, draw a triangle. Step 3, construct the angle bisectors of any two angles A and B and let them meet at I. Then I is the center of triangle ABC. So using A and B side, draw two angle bisectors. The two bisectors meeting at I. That I is the incenter of triangle ABC. Step 4, draw perpendicular from I to any one of the side. AB side I will take it to meet AB at D. Step 5, with I as center and ID as radius, draw the circle. This circle touches all the sides of the triangle internally. Okay, then step 6, you measure the in radius. Find out the in radius measurement using the main diagram. Okay, now listen the diagram. Near note left side, you draw this rough diagram. One small circle, that above you draw the triangle. Write the measurement and label the letters. See the main diagram. Draw a line segment AB 6 cm. Okay, draw a line segment AB 6 cm. So 0 to 6. Write the measure and label the letters. Using the protractor B as the center. Keep the protractor on the point B. Take 65 degree angle. Left to right you take the counting because the line segment having in the left side. So 0 to 65 degree, left to right. 0 to 60, 60 and 70 in between, you take that point. 65 degree. Keep on dot for that side and use the scale, draw one ray. Okay, so this is the 65 degree angle. You know the AC side measure 7 centimeter. So using the compass, take 7 centimeter and A as the center. Draw an arc of radius for this angle line. Okay. So you cut this angled line using 7 centimeter measure. Now that intersecting point is C. Now you join A and C. This is the triangle ABC. Write the measure 7 centimeter. Okay. Next you find out the angle bisectors. A side and the B side. Okay. So using A and B, draw angle bisectors. So A as the center, draw two arcs on the line segment AC and AB. So no measure, take any of the measure and draw two arcs on the line segment AC and AB. So the arc cut in that line segment, you note that point. Note that points. Again that points is the center. Adjust the compass and draw two arcs inside of the triangle. So that two arcs are intersecting, you note that point. Okay, so A to that point, you note and draw the line. Okay, A to that point. Next, B as the center, you repeat the same procedure. B as the center, draw two arcs on the line segment AB and BC. Okay. Again that point is the center. Draw two arcs inside of the triangle. So note the intersecting points. B2, you draw one line. So extend this line also. Extend this line. Now the two bisectors are meet at I. Note that point is I. So using this I point, draw two arcs on the line segment AB. On the line segment AB, draw two arcs, right and left. Now you note that point. Again using this 2 point, draw two arcs below the line segment. Note that point and join I and that point. Okay, so now you get the in center. Use this in center and draw in circle of the triangle. This is the in circle of the triangle. Okay, see the circle coincide the three sides. Your measurement is wrong, you don't get the in circle. Outside you get the circle. Okay, the line outside also we get the circle. So take the measures clearly and draw this diagram. Take this intersecting point is D. Now you measure I to D. Okay, I to D. Find out the measure. I got 1.9 centimeter. 1.9 centimeter. So step 6, after you write the in radius measurement is 1.9 centimeter. Okay, just like you complete the exercise problems. Any doubt you ask me. Thank you, students.